the Ghana Police Service.
Yeah. Daily Graphic wa how say trade minister and obo private sector baso papa. Oral and Martin say private sector economy no COVID ema niema nko yie de nenso wo hwɛ adwuma a ɔma yɛ asoso mu a tɔmɛ bi a na kyɛ sɛ yɛ but ana Amampani Akufo-Addo nso akɔ UN General Assembly na so. Emra ne kasa mu no graphic di mu baako nsɛm Paul di tu dwa no baako graphic yi ato hɔ no de ato front page say include Africa in the G20. Amaya o manu tu bunu amaya bibi kakra o nsɛm mu fa Africa nka o mu ne ntwa ba sɛ yesusu yesi nkonwa etoto adwena abibiman yensusu etumi aka bi Amampani Akufo-Addo ene mfoni no ha no fefefe hu sɛ ogina UN mpanifo ne tete hɔ no enu ma nya sɛm ketwa. And the population, census in the buy.
Yeah, housing and population.
See, do 30.8 million, 30,800,000 Ghanaian people living in Ghana today.
Yeah.
Now, said you Mobosonity and was say a man named Memano, say a man a yard or so say Memano, say a man of Bro Memano, so Ghana had over 400,000.
Yeah.
Over 400,000.
51%.
I die, Uzi, I can't die. I can't kiosk money I didn't know. I see 20%. Structures, metal and wooden kiosks. That's what I say. Aha. No. Cocoa board and so 24 cocoa board that secure $1.5 billion syndicated loan on the Babe to Cocoa. This season, Ghanaian Times. And also at the population who says some Amampani Akufo-Addo and or say European countries in Zua, women also reject AstraZeneca and Romania and Wakaseti say, Moyasana before Mubuya, but Menroya and Yawan and Kakran, so Morianoma, Matuach, and Mawana Kunza, Yenso, one a boy and Kakran Kakra Hanum. Say, Asante region, Greater Accra, Asante region. Any top chart, population census, no. As I say, Paduana, one crown, no, can any Asante region.
Yeah.
As I say, incrementum, yes, one more. Ghanaian Times, dear, no.
Therefore, many are not here. The best. As some drink now,